Serious?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in central New Jersey. This includes the city of Trenton, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, western Middlesex County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of New Brunswick, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerville County in northwestern, southeastern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Philadelphia, western Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey. This includes the cities of Gloucester City, Camden, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Calvin to Ben Franklin Bridge, or along the line extending from 18 miles east of Easton to Camden, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. This line of heavy showers and storms have a history of knocking some trees down in places along its path. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wissinoming, Richboro, Lebanon, and Camden around 6:05 p.m. Long Valley, Sicklerville, Magnolia, and Tacony around 6:10 p.m. Lindenwold and Andalusia around 6:15 p.m. This line of storms may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait to hear thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Cape 10, Locust, Woodland Beach, Slaughter Beach, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fort Tusk Beach, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoal Light, and Stony Point until 7:30 p.m. At 6 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots from Woodland Beach in Delaware to the central Delmarva, moving northeast at 40 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near Sea Breeze at 6:20 p.m., Cross Ledge Light at 6:30 p.m., Miami Light at 6:40 p.m., Fort Tusk Beach at 6:40 p.m., Slaughter Beach at 6:40 p.m., 14-foot Bank Light at 6:50 p.m., East Point at 7 p.m., Brandywine Shoal Light at 7 p.m., Brown Shoal Light at 7:10 p.m., Cape 10 Locum at 7:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Miami Light, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoal Light, and Stony Point. The Marine 7:30 p.m. At 6 p.m.
Oh, that's what it came up as, huh? Unrecognizable because it was too staticky.
Severe winds in excess of 50 knots from Woodland Beach in Delaware to the central Delmarva, moving northeast at 40 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near Sea Breeze at 6:20 p.m., Cross Ledge Light at 6:30 p.m., Miami Light at 6:40 p.m., Fort Tusk Beach at 6:40 p.m., Slaughter Beach at 6:40 p.m., 14-foot Bank Light at 6:50 p.m., East Point at 7 p.m., Brandywine Shoal Light at 7 p.m., Brown Shoal Light at 7:10 p.m., Cape 10 Locum at 7:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
The following is a tornado watch announcement from the